A new homeowner in Deal, New Jersey called our office after finding what he thought were termites in his living room. However, after a thorough inspection, we realized that it was actually citronella ants. They were harboring in the mulch bed and entering the structure underneath the siding. Now, citronella ants are small yellow ants that nest and build colonies under logs, rocks, and even crawl spaces. When crushed, they emit a very strong citronella smell, which is how they got their name. For treatment, we applied a liquid non-repellent directly onto the ant trail, mulch bed, and along the entire exterior of the building. The citronella ants will come in contact with this treatment, return to their colony, and groom or feed one another, unknowingly transferring the treatment to one another. This causes the product to spread throughout the colony like a virus, ensuring complete elimination of the citronella ants.